everyone, we're going to verify this trig identity. We have cosine of theta equals 1 minus tan squared of theta divided by 2 divided by 1 plus tan squared theta of theta divided by 2. So we're going to use our half angle formulas. And if we look at it, this is it. We're going to work on the right-hand side of the equation because it is more complicated. So we have tan of theta divided by 2 equals plus minus square root of 1 minus cosine theta divided by 1 plus cosine theta. Cosine theta. So we want a square because we have a square here. So you square both sides. So we get tan theta divided by 2 equals 1 minus cosine theta divided by 1 plus cosine of theta. All right, so let's just substitute, and we're going to work on this side again. So we get 1 minus, substitute for 1 minus cosine of theta divided by 1 plus cosine of theta. All divided by, and do the same thing for the denominator, 1 plus 1 minus cosine of theta divided by 1 plus cosine of theta. All right, now for our numerator, let's get our common denominator, and that's going to be 1 plus cosine of theta. Now when you do that, so we need a 1 plus cosine of theta here, so we can multiply this also by 1 plus cosine of theta. So we get 1 plus cosine of theta minus 1 minus cosine of theta. I like to put parentheses here because you're going to have to negate this as well when you distribute. Now do the same thing for the denominator. Our common denominator is going to be 1 plus cosine of theta, and then you just write this as multiply this by 1, or you could just do the butterfly method like that and multiply 1 plus cosine of theta plus 1 minus cosine of theta. Now what happens is these two cancel if you divide that out. So let's just deal with this and this. So we have for the numerator 1 plus cosine of theta minus 1 plus cosine of theta. All right, in the denominator, we have 1 plus 1 is 2, and cosine of theta minus cosine of theta is just 0. Now, the 1's cancel here, so we have 2 cosine of theta divided by 2, which equals cosine of theta, because the 2 divided by 2 is 1. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.